Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time coming here, welcome. I hope you subscribe and you stick around. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. So in today's video, we're going to make naan bread. So you're gonna need 2 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of yeast, and you're just gonna mix the dry ingredients together. Then after that, you're gonna add quarter cup melted butter, half cup of warm water, and also half cup of plain yogurt, and you're just gonna mix everything together. If you can find Greek yogurt, you can even use Greek yogurt, it's even better. So here you see me mixing, and then I decided to use my hands because the last time I was using my spoon, it broke. So yeah, you can use your hands, and then you mix up until all the flour is incorporated. Just keep on mixing like that. So once your dough looks something like this, you're going to drizzle some oil into the bowl and also on top of the dough, and then you're just gonna cover it with a cling wrap, and you're gonna set it aside in a warm place for about 30 minutes. And then after that, you're gonna take it out. It's supposed to double in size, just like that. And then you have to flour the surface first, because I didn't and it was sticking on the board, so you don't want that. So don't be like me. Flour the surface first before you add the dough on top. So here you see me cutting my dough. I cut it into 4, but then as I was rolling the dough, I realized that the pieces were big, so then I had to resize them. And then I was just trying to make it into a ball. And then you're supposed to add flour, and you're just gonna roll it. So I had a mixture of both. Some of the naan bread I added cheese in the middle, and it was really nice. And then some of it I didn't. So you can choose if you want to add cheese or if you don't. But I added some mozzarella cheese on the dough, and then I folded in just like that. Then after that, I added more flour on top, and I also rolled it again. So yeah, you've got 2 options: either to add cheese in the middle. It will really taste nice, guys, especially if you love cheese. You should add the cheese. But then if you don't, you can just roll it. You see the other parts, I didn't, some of the dough, like I didn't add cheese in the middle. So yeah, you just do what works for you. But yeah, you're gonna be seeing me rolling the dough just like that up until I'm done. Once you're done rolling the dough, then you just set it aside and you continue with everything up until you're done. So in this one, you notice that I didn't add any cheese because I wanted it to be different. I didn't want all the naan breads to have cheese in the middle. So you just add flour on the surface again, and then you just roll it like that and then you repeat the process with the remaining dough, and then that'll be it. So once you're done with the dough, you're going to add butter in a pan. Not a lot of butter, just a little bit. If you've got a non-stick pan, the better. Then you can just do that. You can use a non-stick pan and you won't have to add butter. And then yeah, so after my bread has cooked, you see me adding something. So I mixed butter. It was melted butter and parsley, just to give it, you know, that nice green vibe. So, and then I flipped it, and when I flipped it, I also added the same up until like the other side was cooked. And then I removed it from the heat and I set it aside, and then I was just repeating the process up until I was done. So you're basically gonna repeat the process until you're done. And then I served my naan bread with butter chicken, with some butter chicken that I made. The recipe is somewhere down below on my channel, and I'm also gonna link it in the description box. But yeah guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I can't wait to see you in my next videos. And also, if you haven't subscribed, please make sure you subscribe. And another thing, please comment down below, or like you can also comment on my Instagram what other recipes you'd want me to make. But yeah, that's it guys. Bye.